guys, welcome to my channel, and today we're going to open these surprise eggs which have random things in them. So let's start with the biggest eggs, like these. Wow, look! It's a pony, and this is translucent, so it's a very beautiful. So the next egg will be this egg. I wonder what's in it. Ooh, another egg and another. Ah! Oh, look! They are twins. Their shoes, they have prints on the back, and they're very cute. They're Shopkins. And then we're going to open this egg. Ooh. This is a Cindy centerpiece. It's a part of the birthday theme of season 7 Shopkins. We're gonna open this egg. And next, what a surprise! It's wedding gold band. It's very beautiful. It's from season 7, also the birthday theme, and she is gold. Not real gold. Next, we're going to open this egg. Oh, look! It's Tommy Top Hat. It's very fashionable, and at the end, there will be a surprise. And then we're going to open this egg. It has an envelope. It's from the birthday theme, and we're going to put it right here. And now we're going to open this egg. Ooh, look, there's Fluttershy. She's from the Rainbow Power theme. And she's very kind. She's beautiful. We got most of this from eBay. And this is very colorful. Her hair is a different color. And yeah, I'm going to put it right here. Next, we're going to open this egg. I wonder what's inside. Ooh, this is the Mr. Carrot Cake. He's from Sugar Cube Corner. And he is very tall, I know. This sounds weird. Now I'm going to open this. This is Stephanie from Legoland, and she is a keychain. The location is on Woodview Mall, by Woodview Mall, and she can stand but not very easily. Okay, let's leave her down. Next, we're going to open this egg. These eggs are hard to open. Ooh, look, it's Spike. It's Twilight's assistant from My Little Pony. He's a dragon, but he's a baby one, and he is kind of not like the other dragons. Next, I'm going to open one of the last 2 eggs. Look! It's a pony, but it's the same pose as this. Look. And the last egg, what is in here? Ooh, look! It's a talking It's from season 7, the birthday theme. It's a present. And at last, I'm gonna do the Shopkins and look. It's the wedding party Shopkin and it's very, very cute. And that's it, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video and please subscribe. Bye-bye.